let us discuss the concept to check whether a pair is a solution for the equation or not. That means we are given a pair of values and we are supposed to check whether it is a solution of the equation or not. The general form of the equation is ax plus by is equal to c, and suppose we are given a value of pair as m and n. To check whether this pair is a solution of the equation, we will substitute the value x will be equal to m and we will substitute the value of y as n. So the equation will become a into m plus b into n and equal to c. If the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, we will say that it is the solution of the equation, and if left hand side, it is a solution of the equation. But if left hand side is not equal to right hand side, we will say it is not a solution of the equation. That means if we are given a linear equation, the standard form of a linear equation is ax plus by plus c, and we are given a pair m comma n, and we are supposed to check whether it is a solution of this equation or not. The first step will be, we will substitute the value of x as m and y as n. Then we will solve the left hand side and the right hand side, and if the left hand side and right hand side is equal, it is a solution of the equation, and if it is not equal, it is not a solution of the equation. Now let us discuss a question on this concept. Suppose we are given that 3, 4 is a, we are supposed to check 3, 4 is a solution of equation 3x minus 5y is equal to 6. We are supposed to check 3, 4 is a solution of this equation or not. For this, what we will do, we will substitute the value of x as 3 and y as 4 in the equation. It will become 3 into 3 minus 5 into 4, and now the left hand side will be equal to 3 into 3 minus 5 into 4. It will be equal to 9 minus 5 into 4 is 20. So it will be minus 11, and the right hand side has been given to us as 6. Now we see that the left hand side is not equal to the right hand side. So we can say it is not a solution of this equation. So this is how we can check whether a particular pair is a solution of this equation or not. Suppose we are, let us take another example. Suppose we are given the pair as, let the pair be 1, 2. We are supposed to check whether 1, 2 is a solution of this equation or not. Or let us take something else. Let us suppose 9, 3. We are supposed to check 9, 3 is a solution of this equation. We will substitute the value of x as 9 and y as 3. The left hand side will become 3 into 9 minus 5 into 3. Now 9 into 3 is 27 minus 15. It will come out to be 12, and the right hand side we know is 6. So we can say that the left hand side is not equal to the right hand side. Hence it is also not a solution of this equation. This is how we can try any pair of values, that means to check whether it is a solution of the equation. Whenever the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side, we will say it is a solution of the equation. Otherwise it will not be a solution of the equation. Now let us take another pair. Let us suppose x is equal to, let us take another pair as 7, 3. To check whether 7, 3 is a solution for this equation, what we will do, we will substitute the value of x as 7 and y as 3. The left hand side will be equal to 3 into 7 minus 5 into 3. 7 3s are 21 minus 15, and it will be 6. And the right hand side we know is 6. So in this case the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Hence it is a solution. So of the three examples, we can say 3, 4 is not a solution. Similarly, 9, 3 is again not a solution, but 7, 3 is a solution. So if we take three cases, 3, 4 was not a solution of the equation. Similarly, 9, 3 was again not a solution because left hand side was not equal to the right hand side. But in the third case, as 7, 3, the answer came out to be 6. So we can say the left hand side was 6 and the right hand side is also 6. So we can say it is a solution of the linear equation 3x minus 5y is equal to 6. So this is how we can check whether a particular pair of values is a solution of a linear equation or not.